Hi guys! In this video you will learn how to improve your accuracy in COD Warzone Mobile. Well, to do that, adjust your sensitivity. Experiment with different sensitivity settings to find what works best for your aiming style. Practice regularly. Dedicate time to practice aiming and shooting in both training modes and actual matches to build muscle memory. Crosshair placement. Keep your crosshair at head level and anticipate enemy movements to minimize the need for large adjustments when aiming. Grip control. Maintain a firm grip on your device to ensure stability and reduce the effect of recoil on your aim. Centering. Always keep your crosshair centered on where you anticipate enemies to appear, whether it's around corners or in open spaces. Pre-aiming. Pre-aim at common enemy positions or known engagements areas to reduce reaction time when encountering opponents. Short burst. Fire weapons in short bursts rather than holding down the trigger to maintain accuracy, especially at longer ranges. Aim down sight or ADS. Use ADS whenever possible to improve accuracy and reduce bullet spread, especially in medium to long range engagements. Strafe shooting. Practice strafing while shooting to make yourself a harder target to hit while maintaining accuracy. Adjust sensitivity for ADS. Fine-tune sensitivity settings especially for ADS to ensure precise aiming when zoomed in. Warm-up routine. Start each gaming sessions with a warm-up routine in training modes to get your aim dialed in before jumping into matches. Headshot focus. Aim for headshots whenever possible to minimize damage and eliminate enemies more efficiently. Steady aim. Control your breathing and aim steadily, especially during intense firefights, to maintain accuracy under pressure. Recoil management. Learn to control recoil patterns for different weapons by practicing recoil compensation techniques. And that's how to improve your accuracy in COD Warzone Mobile. If you like this video, please click the like and subscribe and ring the bell icon to notify you to our next video. Thank you for watching!